Welcome back to Early American Civilizations. This is grade 5, Domain 2, Lesson 3, Organization of the Maya Civilization. Our objectives for this lesson are to describe the organizational structures of the Maya and explain ways in which they adapted to the diverse landscape in Mesoamerica, and also compose sentences from notes and construct a logical paragraph describing the geographical features of Maya civilization. Our purpose for reading is to read to closely examine the author's words, sentences, and literary devices for a deeper understanding of the development of the Maya Golden Age. And our big question is, how did Maya society adapt and thrive in such a large and diverse region? Now, I know you've already read this, but we are going to read through this chapter again. Again, as you read this, feel free to pause the video as you need to. I will pause for about 5 seconds, and feel free to stop me or to pause the video so you can read it more carefully as well. Our word work for today is symbolize. It's possible that the game Pakatak symbolized the passage of the sun across the sky. Symbolize means to stand for an idea or characteristic, and it is a verb. So last time we talked about paraphrasing. This is an example of all the different things from the text that we can take to be paraphrased. As you can see, there's quite a bit. And reminder, it's important that we paraphrase and not copy directly from the text, because otherwise we get into plagiarism, and we do not want to get to copy directly from an author's thoughts, because it's not our own. Again, if any time you need to pause this video to really read through something, please feel free to do so. So now we're going to plan our paragraph writing. So first, writers include a topic sentence to introduce the topic or main idea of the paragraph. The topic sentence tells what the paragraph will be about. Next, writers include supporting sentences to explain the topic or main idea. Writers usually include at least 3 to 5 sentences to give the reader supporting details and facts about the topic or main idea. Including interesting facts and details helps make the paragraph informative and interesting to read. It is important that the sentences stick to the topic. Finally, writers end the paragraph with a concluding sentence or their final thought about the topic or main idea. Using these guidelines can be helpful to writing a clear and informative paragraph. So when you're writing a paragraph, it's important to start with that topic sentence, then go into details that support that, and then end with a concluding sentence. So max, you should have about 7 sentences. So this is an example of a paragraph writing. So Mesoamerica, home of the Maya civilization, has interesting and diverse geographical features. So that right there is my topic sentence. That is what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about. Located north of the equator in the tropics, the Maya lands include part of Mexico and parts of Central America. There's my first detail. Types of lands include lowlands, mountains, coasts, and rainforests. There's my second detail. Even though the region is surrounded by water, some areas are drier than others. There's my third. The land on which the Maya civilization grew is full of variety with different kinds of plants and land, plants, and animals. That's my concluding sentence. If you notice, it's almost exactly like my topic sentence, except I reworded it to be a little bit more of a conclusion sentence. So this is going to be your assessment for today. You're going to complete the assessment to answer the paragraph question, and be sure to use details from the text to support your answer. Anytime you need to rewatch the video to pull more evidence, feel free to do so, and we will see everyone in the next video.